my name is Anthony Dunn, and I'm the information engineer for the CA MAT team. To give it the correct acronym, I'm just going to make the window live first. Let's do that one. Excellent. So I'm here to talk about the latest Java capability enhancements, all the things we've added to Java support to MAT over the last year. So we're just going to have a quick update on what we've added, and then I just want to demonstrate a few things for you using the MAT GUI. Fantastic. Sorry, this is the first time I used it. I've just been shown how to hide the control panel. Excellent. New software, there we go. Okay, so we're going to do a live demonstration using the CA MAT GUI of some of our new kicks and IMS transaction split features, and a feature to include and exclude classes and transactions from your monitors. Need to make the window live again. There we go. So what have we added in terms of currency support? So we now support WebSphere application up to 855, WebSphere application server WAS. We support Java up to Java 8 now, and kicks up to 5.5 as well. Which is all good stuff. We also have added 31-bit support to the Java agent. This is done automatically by the Java agent. It can identify the region it's running in and use the appropriate DLLs at execution time. We've added the IMS transaction split, kicks transaction split, and inclusion and exclusion support. So we're just going to do a little live demonstration of some things. I need to now exit this window and switch to, there we go, the GUI. So this is the MAT web GUI running on Tomcat. We now support Tomcat 9. I think it's 8.5 and upwards needed to run this. As you can see, it's a slightly less old school view of the MAT interface, and it's very good at displaying information, nice, easy to read format for people who prefer this kind of thing. So what are we going to do first? We're going to show you the filtering aspects of MAT first. So this is, if you can have a look at our monitor profiles on the left-hand side, we're just going to show the setup for this monitor. So it's our profile, we've given it a name, and the job name points at a region running our Java Java transactions that we're interested in. We're not going to run this live because it takes a little time, and I want to run through this quickly. So we have one set of analysis here. You can see on our overview that this was run on a kicks region, and if I scroll down, we can see what settings we had for Java this time around, and we've set up no filters at all this time. So if I have a look at the information that CA MAT gathered during the monitor period, this is our transaction view. We can look at our application classes here. We can see we've got quite a few application classes here. This is a demo program, so this is not indicative of the amount of results that you could get when looking at your applications. And one of the main use cases for this feature is if you're running on a production server, or you're running on a test server and there's lots of people using the test server at the same time, and you're trying to hone down and you're looking at what's been gathered during that time, and you're thinking, which one's mine? What am I interested in? Which ones are pointless? So we can see right at the top here, it sorts by the number, it sorts by active time. We can see that we've got these two classes, this one class, sorry, CA MAT DB2, which seems to be taking a lot of our time. And we would like to run another monitor focusing mainly on that class to see what's going on. So skipping forward a few steps, This is a second monitor we've run. And you can see this time that our Java settings have changed. We've got these additional system class filters. If I again look at the monitor setup and look at the Java tab here, we've got specify system class filters here. And we've got our CA MAT V12, and we've got an I in front of it. This is stating an inclusion. Inclusions will only look at those classes or transactions that you're interested in, exclude everything else. Now, we've also got a wildcard at the end of this. If we switch that for an E, we would run the same monitor, but exclude those specific classes. Useful if you're wanting to get rid of some specific stuff there. So to demonstrate the results from that, let's have a look again at our results and our application view. Thank you. And you can see here that we're now only looking at CA MAT DB2. This, hopefully you can see that would be very, very useful to look at specific Java classes in your monitors. Looking to our results here, if you haven't seen Java results before, not only shows you the method, shows you the line number that method was called. So if you have access to the source code there, go directly to that line and see what's going on. And it gives you a really good place to start looking at where you can make savings in your Java applications. The second thing I wanted to show you very quickly was the Kix transaction splits. So prior to this update, when you would do a monitor including Kix and IMS transactions, they would all be lumped in under this one category called none, star, none, star. Now we split these up. So you can see on our Kix monitor that we're now seeing individual transactions being reported. So that would be really useful to see which of your transactions is taking the most time if you have a number of transactions going on. So going back to, that's all I wanted to show you for today. One or two more things to mention here. The inclusions and exclusions you can do globally. That's done via a setup task, and that can be run across every single monitor if there's maybe a number of classes that you know need to be excluded from everything. I think that's pretty much everything from me.